All right, we got some brake pads here. Just a good example of what we're looking at when we inspect your car in a brake inspection. This is a full brake pad, not been used. This is good. It says good on it. This one right here, next in the progression, it's got some meat on it. This is when we'd start telling you that this is when we want to start watching it closer. This is bad. This is to the wear marks. This is starting to make noise. This is when you definitely want to change them. Before they get to this point, started eating into the backing plate. There's no pad left, and they likely needed calipers after this one. This is when it starts getting expensive. And there's the real ugly one. They waited way too long and really started eating into the backing plate. And this was making a lot of noise for a long time and was way more expensive to fix than it really should have been. So if you don't want to cost yourself unnecessary money, make sure that when we recommend brakes or another shop recommends brakes, you either get another opinion or come to Willands and get your brake service. We'll help you out any way we can. So,
what's like the cost difference between waiting?
The cost difference is about, can be about $600 plus tax for a brake job per axle, about that for good premium parts that we like to use. We don't use cheap parts here. And this is when typically it costs you well over $1,000. Calipers are very expensive and can sometimes double the cost of a brake job, especially when you are getting into the realm of having to do this. This is pretty damaging to your vehicle and puts a lot of stress on components, and we make sure that we fix all of it and replace everything to make sure that you're getting a good quality product and a reliable vehicle afterwards.